Some guy in a white jacket.
Come on over here.
Come on, come here. Come here.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Dakota, you're under arrest. Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
What?
You're going wrong or what? You get out of here.
You shoot me too?
Turn around.
You shoot me?
Put your hands behind your back.
You shoot me? What do you do, Mason? What do you do? Come on.
Turn around, put your
Let's
hands
get it
behind your back.
cracking. Let my boy go.
Turn around,
Oh, shit,
put
well,
your
it's
hands
started.
behind your back.
Oh, what? Oh, what? You want to shoot me? Get the gun out. I'm ready to go.
6 to Tompkins. We got a disorderly at the station.
I'm ready to go. Shoot me. Shoot me.
Turn
ready to
around,
go.
put your hands behind your back.
Oh, what? Go catch me. Run.
It'll be Dakota Ingram.
Go catch me. Let my boy go now.
I don't think so.
Come on. I'm ready for the smoke. Shoot me then.
Let me just get out of here.
No. You arrest my boy.
206, is
Put
this
your
out
hands down.
front?
You gotta shoot me.
Affirmative.
524, you're available on this one.
Pussy ass niggas.
Put your hands behind your back.
Thank you.
That's alright?
Yep.
You alright?
202.
Driver of vehicle 2 is requesting
Watch out, we're on
Finger
1-800.
Lake Expo to respond to the Dunkin' Donuts on South Meadow Street and bring her to McGuire of Subaru on the service.
Dakota, do you have anything on you?
Don't worry.
6 to Tompkins. We got one in custody.
Copy, 1700.
Dakota, can you roll up on your side?
Why is he under arrest? Which way you want him to roll?
You can roll towards me.
Nope. I need my lawyer. We're not asking you any questions. Well, if you guys are, you ask me to have any on me.
We just lunch.
Well,
Yep.
so you catch my lawyer. Well,
Well,
you get up
Put your
there.
knees up, put your-
I can get up on myself. That's fine. Here, you can do it by yourself.
Why is he under arrest? No way.
You got some phone knife on my boy. That's so special, bro.
Fuck y'all!
What phone is that? Not mine. Or is it mine? Well, my phone's still in that pocket?
Yeah, sure is.
Alright. So why my boy getting arrested for it? He took a knife out, so I flipped my shit. So why like somebody taking a knife out my boy? He did nothing wrong. I was there the whole time.
Okay, well, the officers on scene saw something.
Well,
So-
yes, he saw something, right?
203 Tompkins.
So why you arrested my boy for it?
Well,
He ain't
just
put
like-
nothing out.
Just like you saw something.
Yeah, I did, but you guys didn't took my word. You said, oh, he think he saw something.
What do you got for the
I
shot
saw
fire?
something. Money in this pocket too.
Black male in a gray sedan pulled into the
Money in
DSS
this pocket, my
or
what's
City Health
called
Club parking lot.
Is that broken? Because if I could put my leg,
Fired
I'd be
at
pissed.
least 2 rounds.
Now, Kurt?
What's that?
Do you have him for right now?
Yeah.
So
down there.
what's the investigation about my boy?
Hold on.
No, what's the investigation about my boy getting shot and murdered? You guys care about that?
Copy, round.
Or you guys are so
I'm good. I'm
racist?
just gonna lock him back here.
Or you guys so racist that you don't care about nothing?
Dakota, will you stop it?
No, my boy got killed, bro.
I know he didn't. You know what? I knew him. Okay, so
Yeah,
chill
I
out.
loved his ass. That's like my uncle, bro.
So chill
So now
out.
you know why he's so mad all the time?
Stop.
Well, you should know why I'd be so mad. Because nobody's doing nothing about it.
Listen, investigators are doing things. Okay, just chill out. We're kind of just all getting thrown into this.
Yeah, and it broke my fucking heart. So I
hear
carry
ya.
his body, man.
I hear you. You
I
don't
hold his
yell
fucking
at me.
body.
You hear
I
me?
can't help it, bro. I hold his
But
body.
it's not me, right? I'm not the enemy.
No, because the other cops thought I shot my own boy. He asked me questions
Okay.
and tried to arrest me, bro.
Pocket
So how I feel about that? Some of you cops are nice to me, but you guys accuse me of shit.
I accuse you of
Not
anything.
you, of the other cops.
Okay, you can be calm, cool, and collect with me, right? I'm not being a jerk.
No, but the other cop was.
Well-
I was asking why my boy got arrested. He didn't answer me.
I'm just gonna hook you to one of these, okay?
Yep. And people wonder why I won't go back to jail so badly. And I wasn't resistant to being honest either. He should have just put my hand behind my back and not slam me to the ground. To be honest.
What's up, man?
My boy got shot this morning.
I know, it's a fucked up thing. I responded to it.
He's only
But why are you giving us a hard time, man?
Because-
Usually we're good.
No, yeah, you are, but still.
Yeah.
Oh, Messiah said somebody had a knife to him. Not Messiah, somebody told me about that shit. So it pissed me off.
Alright, but why are you taking
Because if
it
I lose another best friend, that'll be pissing more.
Yeah, why are you taking it on?
I didn't took it on him. The other guy did. He fucking slammed me for no reason.
Who's the other guy?
I don't know, but I wasn't resisting either because I was moving back. I said, catch me.
Don't get me and Kurt a
Cars
hard time.
scratched,
We're just trying
light
to...
blue.
Yeah, but he also shouldn't want to knuckle up with us either.
I was trying to.
You wanted to knuckle up with Kurt?
No, not him. The other one.
Yeah, but I was right with him. You don't need to do that stuff.
Jeez, we're too old for
But,
this stuff.
but
man.
still, that's like my uncle, bro. He was with me after I got out of jail at 18. You know I was been jail at 18.
Yeah.
He was there
And
after
I
I met
like
him.
Messiah too. I don't want you taking out on us. We're just trying to process it too, you know. You gotta understand.
Yeah,
we're
but still, like cops. That's why we against you guys because cops not
Who's
doing
you
stuff.
guys? What did Kurt and I do?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that's why we're against the cops right now because they doing stuff and they're not
Yeah,
doing nothing about
but
it.
Dakota, you can't put us all in the same
We're not doing
box. You
anything,
can't.
you guys. We're trying to like.
And us protesters are fighting for a right. And
Right,
these,
They're
but
just requesting
you're
your
doing
presence
like
in
what
the
you're
air.
fighting against.
I
You're-
wasn't resisting
No,
arrest.
no, I know, but you're saying like we're all bad, and just like it's not okay
Nah,
to say
Bird is
all-
good. You good. Like,
Yeah.
there is some nice guys, but nah, man. Like I'm talking about the other guys who won't do shit with their life.
Okay, but just try to
State Street.
keep in mind we're all just
Vehicle
humans,
pulled
and
into
we,
the parking
we're
lot.
all individuals.
Yeah,
light blue
hey, after I got the
or
news
possibly a
this
gray
morning,
color
now I'm going to see my
Dodge
son tomorrow. Like, I don't know, am I
Juvenile
supposed to talk to my son about
early 20s.
my uncle got
Failed.
shot, and he was so
Fired at least 2 rounds, got back in the vehicle,
My 1-year-old son
and
tomorrow?
left the area, unknown direction.
I got nobody to talk to.